I'm 21 years. I can make my own decisions at this moment.
My daughter.
Yes, mommy.
When I see a good smile in your face, I just know there's something good you want to tell mommy.
Mommy.
Yes, daughter.
I'm tired of being in this Uganda.
Why?
My brothers are all abroad. Bruce and Levin are all across. I'd like to go and adventure. Though you like it, when I stay in this royal palace.
My daughter.
Yes, Mom.
It's a good idea. I like it. I hope to talk to your father about it and we organize for your tour. You know Mommy loves you.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you, Mom.
I love you too, darling.
You'll always be my best friend.
You know I always want to see a good smile.
Thank you,
Your
Mom.
face.
I'm always proud of you.
Good morning, my princess.
Good morning, Abby. How was your night?
It was good.
Abby, I have some important news for you.
I am delighted to hear from the princess. Don't tell me you are about to leave us like Levin did. I heard the queen telling the king yesterday.
Not really. I just want to go somewhere and relax my mind.
My princess, please don't go. You are my only hope in this palace. If you leave, I don't know how life will be for me. You are the only one I have. You're my everything. Remember, we are like sisters now.
I think you're right about that, Abby. I have no stress, and I have no big deal away.
Thank you so much, my princess. Permit me go prepare something for you.
It's okay, Abby.
Be careful. Careful.
I was just going to get some fire.
Calm down! You know that school is opening soon. Have you prepared your things?
School?
Yes.
Mom, I'm no longer going to school. I think it would be a best idea if we look and save money to support Jolven. I know it's painful, but I'm a man and I'm done with my Form 6. I can go back to school anytime. Let me look for some casual work as you also look for some little money to support Jolven.
My son, let me think about it.
Think about what, Mom? Do you want to think about our late dad again?
No, about you dropping out of school to help Jolvin.
Jolven is my one and only sister. I should protect and support her in all ways. She will become a problem to me when she fails to get married. Or be in a bad condition when you are gone, maybe. Better now before it's late. Think of her tomorrow.
Mark,
Yes, my sister.
I do appreciate your offer. But think about your happiness too, and your future.
Oh, I'm happy to have you, my child.
Hey, Mom. Good morning.
Good morning, my son.
How are you?
I'm fine. How was your night?
It was just wonderful.
Wow.
Yeah. Mom.
Yes.
Actually, I am going to slash the bush along the road.
You slashed the bush?
Yeah.
This morning?
Joven told me it scares her whenever I send her to the shop at night.
It's true.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yes, Mom.
First have your tea.
No, Mom. It's a small thing and I can get some other work after tea.
Wow.
Yes.
My son.
Yes, Mom.
You are a duplicate of your father.
Mom. Stop that. Let me come back.
Take care of yourself, my son.
Okay.
Mom.
Yes, darling. Shanita.
Yes, Mom.
Good morning, my princess.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you?
I'm okay, Mom.
I hope you had a great night.
Yes, I did.
Wow, that's good. Shanita,
Yes, Mom.
I'd like us to have a walk. Is it okay with you?
Mommy. Hope not in the plantations.
Ah, no.
I know you like going there.
We are just going to check on our people. Please trust Mommy. Go and dress up.
Okay, Mom.
I'll be waiting.
All right. Abby.
Yes, my princess. Good morning, my princess.
Good morning, Abby. How was your night?
My night was good.
That is amazing. Well, Abby, Mom wants me to go with her to the village. I don't know which dress can match with this beautiful day. I'd like you to choose for me a wonderful dress for that day.
I think the blue dress will work for you. You look so beautiful. Please try it on. It will work for you.
Abby, I'll try to follow what you're saying, but I don't know.
Claire,
Yes, dear.
where do you think we are going? I don't know.
I even don't know.
Hey Winnie, how do I look?
Oh my God! So beautiful! Can you please turn around?
Oh,
Wow!
You look so fantastic.
thank you. This is so amazing. Can you imagine going out for the first time since I came into this house?
It may sound so funny to you, but I think it's you who just don't want to move outside. You like being inside here. I don't know why.
At times, I ask myself, why you don't want to move out? But I always say, you'll come and tell us at the right time.
Okay, I think we got to go. This isn't the right time to talk about.
Okay.
Hold on. Wow, you look so amazing, my princess.
Thank you, Abby.
You're too beautiful for that day. You're going to kill every man in this village.
Abby, who doesn't want to admire such a princess? I think Mom should be waiting. We have to go. Mom,
Yes?
it has been long ever since we came these ends.
Yeah.
Which dreams did you have last night?
I got the thought this morning.
Okay. Mom,
Yes?
who is that boy? Who pays him?
Oh my queen, you are welcome to our village. Thanks for paying us a visit.
Good morning, young boy. How are you?
I am good, though I lost my dad just last month. We received your condolence messages. Thanks for supporting us on that horrible day.
Wait, are you the son to Mr. Wafula and Mrs. Wafula?
Yes, I am.
How's your mother?
My mother is good, though still stressed. But me and my sister Jolvin are trying hard to make her life move on, though it's still difficult for all of us.
Can we move together and pay her a visit?
Your Highness, if it's your wish, then it's good.
Jolvin! Jolvin! Jolvin!
Yes, Mom?
Where have you been, my daughter?
I'd gone to
fetch some fire.
Welcome back.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, put there your firewood.
You sit down, we have our tea.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have your tea.
Thank you, ma'am.
I love you, my daughter.
Love you too, ma'am.
Jovi,
Yes, ma'am.
where is Mark? His tea is cooling.
Ma'am, Mark is coming. He may be visiting Martin,
Who is Martin?
his best friend.
Do I know him?
Yes. They have been best friends since childhood. But since Martin went in the city, I think you forgot him.
I've remembered him. Okay? Put Mark's tea in a flask so that it doesn't cool.
Okay, ma'am.
My daughter! Come on, see what are you fine? Are you okay? Oh my God! What am I seeing? Am I dreaming? Jovin, my daughter, wake me up! You're not dreaming. It is true. Even Mark is there. Nabanana New York, Pananga, my queen. My queen. Abele wakolera na my queen. Jovin, bring the child for the vista. Okay, ma'am. Oh, my queen, you're most welcome, my queen.
You're most welcome.
Oh, your highness. What do I owe this gift, my queen?
We heard about the death of your husband. We decided to come and pay you a visit. Because we have been busy at the palace. We are so sorry for not attending the burial of your husband. But don't worry, we are still together.
We all don't know why God took him so early like that, but we are strong.
Here is my firstborn Mark
Yes.
and my lastborn Jovi. To my late husband, Mr. Waffler.
Wonderful family. Is Mark still schooling?
No, Mark is not schooling. Since he's done with his senior 6, we are trying to help Jovi. He can join school anytime if God wishes.
Why don't you let Mark to come and work at the palace?
I have no problem with that, since Mark is a man of this family. When he says yes, I have no problem.
Mark,
Yes, Your Highness.
what do you think about that?
I am so honored for your offer, Your Highness. I am kindly requesting for some 3 days with my family.
I've heard your request. I'll be sending my guards to come and pick you after 3 days. We can leave Mrs. Wafula. May God strengthen your family.
Amen. Hey, my daughter, the queen has visited us. Mark, my son, the queen has visited us. Oh.
My princess,
Yes, ma'am.
I've been searching for you everywhere.
I'm just here relaxing myself.
Yeah, I see. I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Yes, I am.
Which book are you reading?
Masabaland.
Wow.
So amazing.
Shanita,
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you got something from today's walk.
Yes, I did. I just love that family, ma'am. Money is not the only source of happiness to them.
That's true.
Sometimes I feel like love is the main source of happiness to a family.
I have to leave you to relax.
Thank you, Mom.
I love you.
I love you too.
How are you, Abby?
I'm fine, my queen.
Why are you cleaning up to this time? I hope your relationship with Shanita is still going on.
Yes, my queen. We are like sisters now, and she loves my services so much.
Yeah, I understand. Go on with your work. Let me go and meet Shanita. Shanita, are you okay?
I'm okay, Mom.
I've been observing you for a moment. It seems you're in the deep thoughts. What's the matter, my daughter?
Mom, I'm just thinking about the future of our kingdom, the Masaba land.
Shanita,
Yes, Mom.
I want to ask you something.
Go on and ask.
What do you think about Abby?
Mom,
Yes?
Abby is a simple and well-disciplined girl. She does everything with one heart. She is brave and intelligent. Although she is a maid, I take her as my teacher, my sister, and a friend. I see Abby as the next queen of our land.
Really, my daughter?
Yes. Okay. And I think Abby should get married to one of my brothers in this palace.
My daughter, my daughter.
What is funny, Mom?
It's not funny. We shall see. I was touring around the palace. Can you join me?
No, Mom. I'm still enjoying this cool place.
Okay. Go on.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, daughter.
Mark,
Yes, Jolvin.
I want to talk to you.
Okay. What is
Mark.
the matter?
You've been like our father in his absence. Where are you going? He's going to sing for me the songs he used to sing. He's going to protect me. Yet you promised to stay with us for good.
Jolvin, I am not going for good. I am only going to look for your school fees because Mom is not okay. No one can stand for our family because Mom is still weak. And I only want you to promise that you'll make Mom forget everything that happened and you'll always make her happy.
Okay, Ma, I promise.
Okay, that's good.
I'm going to miss you so much.
No, don't worry. I'll miss you, but I'll be coming to check on you. Yeah, don't worry. Let me go on with my work, eh? Okay.
My princess,
Yes, Abby.
what are your plans for leaving the palace for your tours? Or you gave up on them?
Abby, I think it's good to stay here with you. Because you give me joy, love, care, happiness. You're just too good for me. But with time, I'll be leaving for tours. And I'll be touring around with you.
Really? Oh my God, thank you so much, my princess. I am humbled that you treasure me in this palace, among all the servants around. I am grateful, my princess.
It's my pleasure, Abby.
Permit me go prepare something for you.
It's well, Abby.
Well, guys. You know what? I heard that the other guy is coming to work with us here in the palace.
Which guy again? Seriously, you overnosing issues that do not even concern me.
Where? There's no need for you to react like that. Maybe ask Winnie for more details than acting negatively.
Whatever.
Winnie, no need to react like that. Maybe it's more about this guy.
Anyway, Florence, do you remember the guy we met while having a village walk?
Yeah. That nice looking guy.
Exactly.
He's going to be working in this class.
Yeah.
That's good because we need more of the girls. Maybe he'll be of importance.
I think so.
Cho. Your mouths will never stop. You're just like birds in the desert, yearning for a drop of water. Bye-bye, talkers.
Mom,
Yes, my daughter.
we have food, but there is no sauce.
Oh, what can I do? But we can use salt.
Mom, I'm tired of salt.
Hey, visitors, you're most welcome to my home.
Yes, Mom.
They've come to pick you up.
Okay.
God is good.
No, don't worry.
Mark,
Yes,
don't
Mom.
forget your late daddy's words. Trust, being honest, and God-fearing. You will achieve everything.
Mom, whatever you advise me, I will be ready to follow. I will support my family like I've been doing, even when at the palace.
Keep it up, my son.
Okay. And Jolvin, I am going to fulfill the promise that I made earlier. Okay? Let me leave. Eh?
Jolby, it's okay. You will be fine. He's going there to fulfill our dream. Jolvin, my daughter, please. The palace is near. He will be visiting us anytime. Sorry, my daughter. My baby girl, sorry. Let's go inside and have some food.
the way, Abby, it was a visitor who came here yesterday, but has not yet moved out. I don't know who he may be. So, are you having any trending news around the palace? Aggie, get serious. I'm not interested about the visitors in the palace. I only care about the queen and my princess. Is it your responsibility to look at whoever enters the palace or goes out? Get serious and get back to work. Anyway, he is with the queen maybe, and is one of the workers here. I think it's gonna help us and his work. Maybe. My what is that? Let me go and bring another receipt with my work.
Ma'am.
Yes?
I hope Mark will be good for the palace activities.
Yeah, I hope so. Because the father was a very good man for development of this palace. Yeah.
Okay. But you said Bruce and Levin are coming soon. I haven't heard from you about them again.
I think they're about to reach.
Oh, Mom, you're right about that.
Yeah. Wow! Finally, the warriors of the palace are here to defend and keep the land. Come to my chest, my sons. You're welcome.
I think this is gonna be a beautiful day.
Yes.
Because the lost stars are finally back to the skies of Masava land. Everything has been missing you. Bruce, Abby has been crying.
And stop that. Yeah, that's right.
Come and give me a hug. I missed you guys.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Welcome back.
Fine, thank you. All right.
Welcome back, my sons.
Thank you.
I've been missing you.
Thank you, Mom.
Finally, my children are back. How are you? Please come in. Come in. My son. Oh, Dad. How was your journey?
Dad, the journey was wonderful, perfect. Actually, we arrived at Entebbe Airport very safe.
This is Uganda, my son.
And
we have had a very terrible virus. It's called coronavirus. You have not brought for me corona here.
No, Dad. There is no need to worry about that. We tested before arriving here, Dad.
Dad, but you look so weak. What is the matter?
By the way, Bruce, you're right. Dad, I can see you've already lost your weight. Mom.
Yes.
According to my observation, I think Dad needs to see a doctor.
No, you don't have to be worried. Dad will be fine.
That's right. I trust you, Mom. I trust you.
Too much in Uganda.
Okay. Let's all get up and toast to the return of the lost stars back to the skies of Masava land. Okay. Daddy, please join us.
Daddy, join us.
No, come on, Dad.
Come on.
Dad.
Come on.
I will try to.
Wow. Cheers.
Oh, it's nice. Wow.
here you are. Abby, guess what? Guess what? Okay. Abby, your husband is back. Who? Rose!
Will you shut up? Never put that in your mouth again.
I told you I have the man who always appears in my dreams. What is wrong with you?
You are a woman. Use that and persuade him so that you can become the next queen of this land.
Besides, the king is dying slowly.
Abby, you know, I can't make a great queen. And you can do that.
Who says you cannot make a great queen? You are a woman and you're strong. I believe in you. You have all the abilities, but it's just that you don't believe in them. You are a warrior and you can build this kingdom better than me. I'll be loyal to you when you become the next queen of this land.
I trust your words, but the prince loves you and not me. Even the queen wants you to replace her.
Where is it written that I must be the next queen of this land? Aggie, I will help you persuade Bruce so that he marries you and you become the next queen of this land.
Okay, whatever.
Abby, to be honest, the prince is in love with you. Why can't you use this chance maybe? The way you two are connected, I know you can make a perfect couple. Abby, why this look again?
Stop it, Abby. Understand her. That's what she thinks.
Well, girls, I'm not interested in the prince, and I have no feelings for him.
What? Get serious, Abby.
Abby, get serious. The prince has been asking for love a long time. Why can't you give him time? For sure, a lucky woman, Abby. I wish it was me. Please, Abby. Abby, understand the prince. Abby, imagine you being the next queen of this land. Abby, you can't wait to work with someone who knows what to do for. Please, Abby, please understand the prince.
You people are my friends, and we've worked in this palace for a long period of time. I'm not here for wealth, prestige, or anything. But I'm just not interested in the prince, and I have no feelings for the prince.
See? You're losing the chance, Abby. Stop acting like a child.
There is someone I have in my dreams. He appears to me like a butterfly, taking me on a colorful journey. I am waiting for the man of my dreams. He has angelic eyes. He is so humble. He is a stranger. He is loving. I can't wait to meet the man I've been dreaming about.
Hey! Abby, stop dreaming! Abby, for sure there is no one strange. And all these your stupid things you've said. Abby, please, understand the prince. Abby, please, think about it, eh? Please, Abby, understand him. Please, Abby, think about it, Abby.
My prince.
Yes, Abby?
I have something important I want to share with you.
Mom.
Yes?
I think Bruce has finally got a soulmate.
I see.
I want to see Abby as the next queen of our land, the Masaba land.
There is someone who loves you, with or without your privileges. She is so much interested in you. She runs crazy every time she hears your name. I think she can make a good queen, better than me. Prince, please try to understand me. I have someone I've been seeing in my dreams for a long period of time. And I'm still waiting for him. I know he will come. But Agi loves you so much. She can make a good queen. She is far better than me. Besides, she's in love with you. Think about it, my prince.
Okay, let me think about it.
Thank you so much, my prince.
My king. King.
Yes, my queen.
I want us to talk about something.
What is it, my queen?
It's about Levin. Levin has grown. Don't you think that we need someone? Saturday morning. Oh, my king. 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 Please help. Shanita, help.
Yes, ma'am. What is it?
Your father is dead.
What? Dad? Dad?
I
Dad?
got it.
What is it?
I got
Bruce,
Dad.
what's wrong with Dad?
Dad?
Daddy!
Dad!
Oh my God! Daddy, don't Dad!
Dad, please!
No! Don't leave me, Daddy!
This is going to guide me. How to be in the kingdom, please,
Daddy,
Dad.
no!
Dad, please! Don't leave us, Dad.
Daddy!
Why?
Daddy, get up! Dad!
Why?
No.
Oh. Oh God, why me?
No, please. Mommy, what happened? Mommy, what happened? No. Believe this. I can't believe this, man.
Oh, my son.
I can't believe this, man. Oh, that has gone too soon, Daddy.
Oh, Dad.
No.
Dad left me.
Daddy, no, you've been everything to us. Daddy, you've been everything to us, Daddy.
You are welcome, my elders, to the strong kingdom of Masaba land.
Thank you, Your Highness, the great Queen of Masaba land.
Hope all is well.
Your Highness.
Yes, my elder.
All is well, except
abekwasabireko balindi bakwishendereko okaniha ebyefe nga abantu ba.
Guards, excuse us.
Your Highness.
Yes, my elders.
We are worried about our kingdom of Masabala. Ever since the king of Masabala passed on, and the people in the community are asking,
you are right, my elders. I'm also concerned about the situation. But we have the heir to the throne.
Yes, Your Highness. We are all aware about that.
Yes, my elders.
According to our tradition, for someone to be crowned the king, he must be married. But our prince is not married. How are you planning for that, Your Highness?
My elders. We need little time to organize for his marriage.
Your Highness.
Yes, my elders.
Okusabe kutse okubuwalira abaramire. Sheso okubuwalira esho. Wera abulinda. Alinde ndi mu masaba.
Manya abalinde.